Stop what you are doing. Your business is losing 2/3 of its profits because your customers aren't engaged enough. No, this is not okay. You're gonna have to watch this NetHunt educational video and learn how to fix it right now. What's up guys, I'm George, we are NetHunt, and you're probably wondering two things after that bombshell I just dropped on you back there. Namely, what is customer engagement and how do we do it effectively? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to tell you. Before we get into it, don't forget that if you want more videos about marketing, sales and customer support, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. The button is right below this video. So what is customer engagement? You might have seen a few definitions. At their very core, those definitions share the same principle, that customer engagement is the interaction between a company and its customers. Customers choose the way they would like to engage with a brand. When brands give customers this choice, they are more likely to choose a method of engagement that works for them, which in turn strengthens their emotional connection to a company. But that's all theoretical. At NetHunt, we're all about actually doing things. Let's get into some of our top tips for engaging clients with a foolproof customer engagement strategy. Tip number 1, share valuable content. For your customers to engage with you, you need to be useful to them. Helping customers with valuable content is the first stop on your engagement journey. Content should be relevant and geared towards their specific business needs and pain points. It should be clear why they would want to engage with it. Eventually, when your brand becomes synonymous with problem solving, it'll be the first place they visit when they need something fixing. Take a look at our NetHunt blog. Isn't it beautiful? It's dedicated to helping our audience with content focused on sales, productivity, and building better customer relationships. This video you're watching right now is an example of valuable content. We hope it is anyway. If you want more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and visit the blog. The link's in our description. Tip number 2, establish an emotional connection. When we're dealing with customers in any context, whether it's reaching out to new prospects or sorting out a customer service query, it's important for them to know they are dealing with a real person rather than some faceless company. These days, the human touch is underrated and underused when it comes to brand-consumer relationships. There are loads of different techniques you can use to do this. Something as simple as addressing a customer by their name goes a long way. But you can go even further and utilize easy to obtain data like gender, age, birthday, and location to create personalized variables on mailing lists. It doesn't matter if it's a new lead or a new follower. The first thing to do is always welcome them with a brief personalized message that includes your email signature to find out more. Furthermore, if you want your clients to interact with you, the best way is to ask questions. You don't simply grab their attention with this tactic. You can also get some first-hand, really valuable feedback. You can ask them questions on different topics such as their experience of your product, the challenges they face in their industry, and any tips they would give to any other business leaders. Tip number 3 is a biggie. Utilize social media. These days, social media plays a disproportionate role in engaging clients. Every platform like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram are good places to engage customers in meaningful conversation, whilst also offering the chance to give that human touch we were talking about. You've got to imagine social media as a permanent platform for your brand, and it works 24/7 feeding information straight into your customer eyeballs. It's important to always have something fresh in your back pocket and give them. You should remember SAE, specific and based on subjects that matter to your readership. Advantageous, saving customer time should be a priority. There always needs to be some sort of reward or gain at the end of it. And entertaining, because it's impossible to engage a bored customer. A friendly, light-hearted tone to content goes a long way. Tip number 4, give the gift of gifts. This one's easy, everyone loves free stuff. Reward your most active users every month and develop some healthy competition. Give discounts, announce giveaways, and conduct competitions. Birthday gifts, company anniversaries, merchandise freebies. At the end of the day, they're all gonna leave your customers with a big smile on their face. Tip number 5, develop a community. We saved the best one till last. Developing a friendly, coordinated community across social platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or Slack can go a long way to developing organic customer engagement. Groups are a great place to collect customer feedback, advertise latest products or content, and share events that your company might be hosting. Facebook Live is a great platform for hosting webinars, which are yet another form of valuable content. Take a look at our beautiful NetHunt crisis-proof community. We set it up in response to the coronavirus pandemic to offer productivity and sales tips to small businesses that were in the same boat as us. Our users found a new place to ask questions, discover updates, and even help each other out. It was a huge success. So, as you can see, customer engagement is a journey, but it's one that never ends. Your customers can always be more engaged. It's important to offer a coordinated customer experience, useful content, and consistent real-time support. So, I can see that you're all still watching, which is great, but you should already be engaging those customers. Oh, well, wait, before you do actually, it might be useful for you to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, and maybe you want to let us know in the comments below what topics you want to see us tackle in the next informational video. Until then, thanks for watching. It's George, over and out.